Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we have a teddy bear collaboration before you. It is a 3-channel teddy bear collaboration amongst myself, Tammy's Manny's, and Viola Brown Nail Cover Lover. So, I have already started. I got 2 foil nails. I started out all 5 white nails. The pink and the blue is from Beauty. I love this brand. It is a new US brand from the UK brand Umic. The blue is 421, and they are true to color. The pink is 428. I don't know if you can see this baby. The pink and the blue nails are going to be Sugar Nails, which is by She Modern. The pink hollow and the blue hollow. I love, love, love me a sugar nail. Everyone knows this. We got 3 foil nails before us. We're going to do our last foil nail with you. I always apply a liberal amount. I can't speak for other girls and what they use. I do use iMethods nail foil glue. It cures somewhere between 30 to 60 seconds. Whoops. You can find this on Amazon. iMethod. I swear by this. I use this over Maratt, over anything else. I will use my iMethod. So the pink and the blue nails, I'm going to use my She Modern glue gel to hold the sugar on. And I'm just going to get these going while that is in the lamp. And that is now out of the lamp. So we have to jog back over to our foil, because you do not want to let your foil sit and cool off. As soon as it comes out of the lamp is when you want to, when you get your best coverage, your best foil coverage as soon as it comes out of the lamp. Rub, rub, rub. Rub your sides really good. This foil is from Charlie's Nail Art. I am the brand ambassador for Charlie's. I will put my code across the bottom of the screen, and you can save yourselves 10% off. Oops. Isn't that pretty? I think that foil, I don't remember the name of it, and at my tail end of it too. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful foil. So back to our sugar nails. You're probably wondering, where's the teddy bears coming in all this? And you'll see. Uno momento. So I'm going to put these in the lamp. I'm going to give these a full 60-second cure. Okay, you want to take your said sugar and tap, 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 tap. Some of these are free pour bottles, and this is definitely one of them. So you want to keep your bottle moving really well. Cover the nail fully. Get your sides very well. And kind of burnish it in. Rub, rub, rub. Tap, tap, tap. And I do push this down into the glue. And then I always stick it back in the lamp. So, tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap. Rub, rub, rub. Oh, we got some bare spots here. Don't want no bare spots. Therefore, you want to go back over the nail, rub, 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 tap, 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 push it down into the glue. I stick these back to the lamp for 30 seconds. Just so that way the sugar adheres better into the glue. I do not top coat, of course, because then it wouldn't be a sugar nail. We have got these. I am going to top coat these with iGel Beauty No Wipe Top Coat. This is just a stunning foil, very beautiful. Fan your brush out. That way you're getting more coverage area. Don't forget to go check out Tammy and Viola's video. I will have a playlist pinned in the comments as well as in the description box. So I'm going to leave these here. I've got my sugar nails. Put that off to the side. Look how stunning these are. In the pink. I don't know if you can see it, but there is hints of a little hint of blue in here. It is hollow. They both are. They all are. Now here comes for the teddy bears. I have a pink and the blue. To hold these on, I'm using my Modelones rhinestone glue. But mine aren't just regular teddy bears. Tammy made these for us. These are, I'm not sure what they're made out of, but I turned mine into spinners. Whoops, 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 whoops. Let me see. I made mine into spinners, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to get me a little amount of the nail foil glue. Maybe I should use the big end. Maybe that's too big. A little bit too big. Just need a little dollop. The spinners are super easy to make. I get the spinner bases from brcnailstipsxpieces.com. I am now a brand ambassador for Brandy in her website. You can check out, she's got a lot of great items. She's got from nails to foil to charms to the spinner bases to the piercing kit. What am I leaving out? She's got foils, gems, the piercing kit. She's got nails. She's got the spinner base. She's got a lot of items. Turn around teddy bear. You gotta watch how you put this. Same goes for the pink. So I'm going to pop these on here. Whoops. Something just fell off the desk. Ugh. I'm going to pop these in the lamp for a full cure, which means 60 seconds. I could get away with the 30 because I do have a higher powered lamp, but I'm going to do 60. Just because of the teddy bears. So make sure you check out Viola's channel, Tammy's channel. If you haven't already, subscribe to them. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos, uploads, giveaways, anything useful information that I feel that you may need to know. I do have a community tab where we can communicate there. You can leave me messages. I think I'm going to start using it. I've only used it a couple times. And I think I'm going to start doing stuff on there, asking for suggestions. If there's anything you would like to see me do on my channel. Anything I haven't covered that you would like me to cover. So yeah. Our nails are finito. Here is our grand unveiling. These are our teddy bear nails in the spinners. I do not know what designs Viola and Tammy are doing with their teddy bears, but I think these are just too cute. Too cute. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Manny. Would you wear this? I think these are just too cute. Too cute. So please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all. Leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. We'll see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.